Hello, my dears. We have here just a few essential business verbs and nouns. The first one, advertise, then, afford, approve, authorize, buy, charge for, deliver, dispatch, exchange, fund. Get worse, lengthen, provide, resign, succeed. And nouns, advertiser, authorization, bill, commission, deadline, delivery, enquiry, goal, loss, and market. Some more: order, output, production, refund, turnover. Now let's start. Advertise. It is going to be very expensive to advertise our products on TV. Our sales have been down this year. We can't afford hiring new people. Afford. Approve. We have to wait weeks for the urban planning department to approve our project. Authorize. Who authorized the architecture of the hotel? Buy. The company encouraged people to buy its products by offering them a discount. Charge for. How much do you charge for creating this program? Deliver. The document will be delivered tomorrow. Dispatch. A lot of supplies were dispatched to the ship yesterday. Exchange. Can I exchange the money at the hotel? Is there an exchange office? Fund. The company agreed to fund our social project. Get worse. The rate of unemployment is getting worse day by day. Lengthen. Proper care will lengthen the life and safety of the railways we've just built. Provide. Can you provide me more information about this strategy? Resign. Many employees resigned as the financial problems of the company got worse. Succeed. You have to be an expert in your domain if you want to succeed. Advertiser. We need an advertiser to spread a message for our product. Authorization. Did you get the authorization to build this house? Bill. Sir, if we don't pay this bill within 3 days, our electricity will be cut off. Commission. She gets a 25% commission on every client she brings to the bank. Deadline. He couldn't meet the deadline, so he got fired. Delivery. Our entire department ordered food, so the delivery was free. Enquiry. I'd like to inquire about those documents. Are they ready? Have they been signed? Goal. What's your company goal? Loss. My company suffered a loss of $1 million last year. At the meeting, they estimated the potential market for educational software. You can change the order of our priorities if you want. Output. If you want to increase your company output, you have to use modern technology. Production. Rice production has risen a lot in China. Refund. When our flight got postponed, we received a refund from the airline company. Turnover. Last year, the company's turnover was $4 million.